These are some examples. The first one is identify the center, vertices, co-vertices, and foci of the ellipse, which is already in standard form as x minus 2 raised to square over 9 plus y plus 3 raised to square over 4 equal to 1. Then understood that the center is at 2, negative 3 because this is h and this is k. And then for the a, this is understood a square and this is our b square. So to find the a is square root of 9, which is 3, and to find the b, square root of 4 is 2. And since 9, which is the divisor of the x minus 2 raised to square, which is higher than 4, it means to say that our ellipse here is horizontal ellipse, meaning the major axis is along x-axis or parallel to x-axis. Finding the vertices, so this is h plus and minus a and k. Since the h is 2 and the a is 3, therefore, one vertex is 2 plus 3 and 2 minus 3. And for the y-coordinate is just simply equal to k, which is negative 3. So then, simplifying, this is 5 because 2 plus 3. And the coordinates is 5, negative 3. And this is 2 minus 3 or negative 1. So the coordinates of the other vertex is at negative 1, negative 3. And for the co-vertices, coordinates is h for the x, and for the y coordinate is k plus and minus b. So for the co-vertices, which is denoted as b1 and b2, so this should be 2. And then for the y, coordinates negative 3 plus 2. So one is 2, negative 1, and the other one is 2, negative 5. For the focus, there are two focus, so foci. Coordinate should be h plus and minus c and k. First, we have to look for the c here, which is the square root of a square minus b square. When a is 3 and b is 2, so we have 3 squares 9 minus 2 square 4, and this is square root of 5. Therefore, the coordinates of the focus should be 2 plus and minus square root of 5. So one is 2 plus square root of 5, the other one is 2 minus square root of 5. Y coordinates is negative 3. Another example here is that we have to write the equation of an ellipse with center at 0, 0 and vertices at 6, 0 and negative 6, 0. Co-vertices at 0, 4 and 0, negative 4. So if we're going to look at the graph of this, it is a horizontal ellipse because the major axis is at 6, 0 and negative 6, 0, which is at x-axis. And the co-vertices at 0, 4 and negative 0, 0, negative 4, it means the y-axis. So we can say that the A is 6 and B is 4 because this is the distance from the center, which is at 0, 0. So A is 6 and B is 4. And this is our standard form, x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equal to 1 when the center is at 0, 0. And simplifying this, multiplying by the product of 36 and 16. So we have the general form as 16x squared plus 36y squared minus 576 because this is the product of 36 and 16. So this is our general form. For our next example, converting the 9x squared plus 4y squared into standard form. So therefore, this is only an algebraic solution wherein from our given general form, all we have to do is just divide both sides by 36 to make this is equal to 1. So when we divide both sides by 36 or every term by 36, so this should be 9 over 36, which is equal to 4, and this is 4, 36. So you can divide by 4, so you have 9 here, and 36 over 36 is 1. So this is our standard form. X squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1, which obviously that denominator or divisor of y squared is 9, which is higher than the 4. Therefore, this ellipse is vertical ellipse, meaning to say that the axis is along y-axis.